I am not naive. I am not pandering to the community. I know exactly the poisons that permeate our societies. I'm quite aware of it. But should we throw the towel in or should we fight it? Should we feel empowered that we've been given this great opportunity to now come in a community that has the Spirit of God? It just needs to be directed. It needs to work together. We need to unify. We need to stop bickering against each other. We need to stop being regional, national, like villagers. Can we think holistically between Muslims, between our own schools, and between our brothers of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah and the Shia? All the 5 major schools of thought. Can we look at each other as a community and say, our obligation is inna dina indallahi al-Islam, that we as Muslims, our obligation is to promote each other to Quran and the Prophet. Can we understand that? Believe me, when you and I put our minds together at that level, no legislation in Washington will pass against us. No legislation on earth will pass against us. They will know we are a fortified, unified body. Believe me, Allah keeps telling us in the Quran, don't disunite. وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold on together, but we don't. Even within our own communities, we don't. We look at each other for every little thing to find a mistake in the other in order to marginalize the other. This is a sickness in our society which then allows the evil forces to come and take advantage of us and cause us to be divided.